To fix this, what you have to do is head straight to your phone menu. Scroll down below and try to search for the app. When you find the app, use your finger to tap on it for some while. And now this is going to pop up. Tap on application details. Tap on notifications and make sure the show notification is still good on. Now tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is still good on. Now go back and tap on force stop. Tap on OK when force stop appears. So after tapping on the force stop, just tap on notifications and make sure these notifications are shown. It's really important. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Now go back and go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, try to update this app. And after updating the app, tap on the power button for some while and reboot this device. Thank you for watching this video, and this is how to fix this problem.